Woo! Lightning's back, baby.
Hey, champ. Been a while. How's retirement life treating you? Oh, you know. Fine, I guess. But why do you care? What, am I not allowed to check up on the old man himself? I thought we were best friends. You and me best friends? Yeah, right. We were never friends to begin with, Storm. Oh, champ, come on, don't be that way. I'm telling you, Storm. We were never friends. Whoa, Lightning, are you sure you're gonna be able to do this? I mean, if you lose, you have to go back to the Piston Cup for a whole season. I know, Ace. It's gonna be a difficult task, but I'm confident I can beat him. Oh, please, everyone wishes they can beat me, man. Oh, I said beat. Don't make me laugh. You're gonna lose, and you'll be back for more and more losses. I'll extend your losing streak. Lightning, you can't be serious, dude. This has to be some sort of joke. Yeah, bro. You can't. What are you gonna do? I'm gonna take the challenge. So, guys, you ready to settle this? Yeah, as ready as I'll ever be. I'm gonna whoop your spoiler in no time. Hope you enjoy the view. Okay, got this, Lightning. Quicker than quick, faster than fast. I am slow. You get it? Because you always say I am speed, and I said to you I am slow. I didn't know you were slow. What? No, I was talking about you. But you just said you were slow. Alright, ladies. Excuse me? You heard me. Whatever. Just go. Haha! Told you I was gonna beat you. Oh, come on! Are you sure this was a good idea, man? Huh. Anything to get Stone to shut up. Wait, oh my. It looks like the bumper to bumper right now. Is it gonna be a tie? I don't even know. It could be. So what happened if they end up in a tie? I haven't thought of that. I won't lose to you today! I won't count on it. Tim, I think you should ask, like, when did they end up tying? Yeah, I guess. And don't poke my eye, cameraman. Geez, sorry. Hey, what are you guys gonna do if you end up tying? Like in a draw? Yeah, right. This guy ain't nothing to me. Don't do that while we're racing. Well, like, what if you do end up in a tie? What are you gonna do? We'll figure it out. Okay, if you say so. You really think we're gonna end in a tie? Yeah, no. The only thing this way is gonna end is with you in the dust. Don't count on it. Dude. So, what do you say? They'll figure it out, I guess. Yeah, so, because that's gonna work out just fine. Yeah, Aiden, what do you think? I'm just a trainee, man. I don't even know. Hey, McQueen, you alright? Why wouldn't I be? I'm better than ever. Yeah, whatever. I just want to let you know that when I win, we're gonna make your life a nightmare. Heck, you won't even be able to go to sleep. Okay? You understand that? I don't care if you win. Actually, I do. Because you're still gonna go back to the Piston Cup no matter what. What? Listen, you can stay drunk for all I care. But I just want you to know, you will never, ever in your lifetime beat me. Well, that doesn't count. Just know, you are nothing. You understand? All I want you to know is that I will beat you no matter what. And you will never, ever be the Piston Cup champion ever again. Tell Emil that too. No. No. No, this. No. No. Don't let him get into your head, McQueen. Don't let him get in your head. Win this race. They're coming back around. Ooh, this is gonna be a goodie. He's probably too far behind to even catch up. Psych! Oh, come on! Why? Yeah! How you like them apples? No losing here tonight. No losing here tonight. Yeah, we ain't losing tonight. We on a diet. Whatever. I gave you that win anyway. Yeah. In a million years you ever give me a win. So, champ, you won. I don't have to bother you for the whole season. Actually, I am coming back. You are? Wait, you're serious? I didn't think you were. You were done. What? Well, racing is my life. And it's all I know how to do. So I'm coming back. I'm gonna do what Dale Earnhardt Jr. does, IRL. Gonna come back every few races or so. So we get to race with you again? Can't believe it. I get to race with Z-Lane McQueen again for another season. It's gonna be a whole lot different now. Didn't even think you'd actually win. Dude, this is gonna be awesome! Oh yeah, baby. Lightning's back in action. Ka-chow!